Hi Apex Cleaning, my name is Michaela. I spoke with somebody on the phone today, and as mentioned, I'm just going to do a quick 5-minute video just showcasing how to get new leads to your website alone, as well as go over your overall online presence and how you can capitalize on getting to the top of those Google platforms, okay? So to start, I do have a background in digital marketing, and I can tell you that Google looks at 3 major aspects when ranking people along that Google platform. Number one, and most important in regards to organic movement of that Google platform, is going to be content. And content is anywhere that actual text shows up on your website. So just from doing a quick scan, you have little sections here and there, but overall you don't have a ton of content on your site. So I'm going to tell you why content is so important. Anytime you do a basic Google search, Wikipedia is always the #1 search result. Why is that? It's because it has so much content. So what we know is Google loves content. With that being said, I'm going to recommend about 1,000 to about 1,500 words of content on your homepage alone. Every few weeks, Google does a sweep of the internet and it finds these content-rich websites and naturally just starts moving them up the rankings. Again, the more content you have on your site, the better in Google's eyes. This allows us to also be found for multiple keywords, which is super important to get seen and get in front of as many people as we can. With that being said, on every additional page, we typically recommend between 5 and 750 words of content on each page. So you're probably not too far off with this information, but we also ask for a lot of keywords to be stuffed within these as well. So I do see you have like carpet cleaning, Dallas, Fort Worth, and Apex Cleaning. So I can see that you guys have tried to get some keywords here as well. So obviously getting ranked for different keywords per each section and each service you offer, again, just heightens that availability for you to get new customers. So I'm going to take you here to Ahrefs, and this just gives me a breakdown of how you're doing on the internet today. And I can see here you're getting about 71 people coming to your website every month, which is great. But I typically see this around, there's people in your area who are getting over 400 people coming to their website each month. So definitely we have some room for some leads to drive that traffic to our website, okay? One of the biggest things is going to be through the keywords. I see that you guys are currently ranking for about 245. And as you can see, you're #1 for your business name, Apex, which is great. You should be ranking #1 for your business name. So that's fantastic. When we get down here, you, I think, have like carpet cleaning Mansfield, Texas, and you're at #9. But beyond that, you're seriously on page 2 and beyond on every other keyword you're ranking for. So this is where content and getting these keywords that you want to rank for higher being put into that content on your website is going to allow you to be found by more and rank you for more. The more you have of those keywords in your content, Google funnels people to you having more keywords, okay? So it's super important to get more rankings and to get more traffic to your site by ranking for more keywords and appropriately placing them within your text, okay? Next, I'm going to drive your attention to here, and here's where I really wanted to show you. So this UR is directly affected by citations, and a citation is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number show up on some sort of online directory. So this is our GMB. I'm sure you guys have one, and as you can see, these top 3 competitors are going to get the most business based on being visible. That's what every business owner wants, right? They want to be seen and in front of as many people as they can. So how do we get up here? We add citations and lots of citations. So I have the ability to see how many your current competition has, to know how many you would need to beat them, and then keep that top spot for you. And I can definitely go over those numbers with you if it's something that you're interested in talking further about. With that said, as soon as you maintain the top spot on the GMB, this UR number goes up. And you guys have done a great job. I see 24. Typically what we say is anything 30 or above is super stable. With that said, most people don't know this, but these 2 numbers, Google loves them to be as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible, meaning this causes stability for your website. If you look here, you can see that you guys have kind of been declining over the last 3 months. This is a good representation as well. You started up high and now you're kind of falling off low. And that's because you have no stability. So when both of these numbers are close to a 1-to-1 ratio, that provides stability, meaning we need to go for upping this DR, which is from referring domains and backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere that your website link is on another website. So think Angie's List or HomeAdvisor.com. But as you can see, not all links are created equal. If I take your attention over here, out of the 28 domains that you guys have your website on, only 9 of them are showing an active link, meaning the link actually takes you to your website. Beyond that, it's just kind of a dead link, a watered down influence, if you will, which is what's giving you so many backlinks, right? So if 9 are giving you a direct link, the rest of them are kind of watering it down, giving you multiple backlinks, which is kind of watering down that influence. So we want to go for good do follow links, websites that have good resources and good trust with Google, and that's going to throw a lot of that influence to your site, causing this DR number to go up. Again, trying to maintain a 1-to-1 ratio, okay? Well, I hope this was good information for you guys. If you don't mind, send me a quick email. Just let me know what you thought about this video. If I have any questions that I can answer for you, obviously I'm available. But that's all I have for you right now, and I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.